Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I have an interesting video for you guys. So if you have not seen my video on the Fold 3, this is my main device. I was rocking a Samsung leather case on it, and this case was beautiful, amazing, but very expensive. And the real shame behind that is this case is about maybe $90 or so, yet this happens to the front end of the case. This is a part of the case that goes over the display here. So when I try to replace this from Samsung, they said no dice, you'll have to buy another one. And when I thought about getting maybe a silicone case and then just stealing the front part of it, then, you know, I saw that this was a major issue that these cases have. I didn't really want to like super glue it and then it just keep breaking again. So then I tried to go back to my VRS case, the one with the kickstand, which is a great case, by the way. But the front end portion of the case, this little frame here, it kept lifting up the screen protector. And by the way, I have the whitestone dome. So the plan of attack here is to apply a Dbrand skin and then have the whitestone dome in the front, basically to protect against scratches and anything of that nature. And just to let you guys know, I do have Samsung Care Plus, so if anything crazy does end up happening to this thing, then I should be covered. But honestly, I'm really liking how slim this phone is, and I'm looking forward to throwing a skin on it and just kind of enjoying the device as it was meant to be enjoyed. Without further ado, let's dive right into this. Alright, so I got the matte black version of their skin. Pretty nice texture. I also got the camera cut out there. I was thinking about getting something crazy like some matte, but man, matte black just looks so nice. Alright, so that looks like that is all that comes in here. So I am going to go on to dbrand.com/how and see how this thing is installed. So it looks like there's a video for pretty much every device that they have on here, so it is pretty neat.
If you just got your Dbrand Galaxy Z Fold 3 skin, relax. This is going to be easy. You will require a hairdryer for this installation. So pause the video now and go grab one.
A hairdryer?
To apply the camera skin, just use a wormhole.
What the F is going on here? Huh, hairdryer. Alright, well, I guess I'll get one of those in a second. Other than that, let's just give this a go. Alrighty, don't need that. So, I'm going to grab the skin. Oh. I guess let me wipe this down first. Nasty little fingerprints off of here. It's gonna be pretty rough to get all of the little lints out of the camera hole, so I think I'm just going to send it and hope for the best. Why did my PC start making PC noises? Alright. Let's actually line it up from the top. Okay, so that looks not too bad. Pretty clean, if I do say so myself. So you guys can see that. Now that I got that on there, like a halfway point, I guess. Line it up with the camera. Oh, that's a sticky boy. That looks pretty good. So now I lift this up and then put this here. And then make sure that is lined up how I want it. And then just even it out everywhere. Use a microfiber cloth here. It's like a millimeter off right here, but I think it's good. Alright, I got that good on deck. I got a Dyson here. Not sure how hot it gets because it's my wife's, and not sure how hot it needs to get, but oh well, here we go. Okay, phone's pretty warm now. Not really sure how much I'm supposed to give that. I can see like it's still coming up right here. So let's go ahead and try and flatten that out, see what happens. So pretty much everywhere that kind of seemed like it was lifting up, I put the hairdryer on it for a bit, and then that made it become a little bit more malleable. And I actually just used my fingers to just massage it down, hair dry it again, massage it down, and it actually really conformed to the phone quite well. I am pretty happy with the fit of this. So next, let me change out this dirty little screen protector, and that way I have like a brand new phone pretty much. Easy. That's such a sketchy way to do that. Oh my god. I wasn't nervous. Alright, for this one, I just like lining up the camera hole. There's no crazy application with this version of the whitestone, so literally just line it up, let it do its thing, just give it a wiperoo, and then when you start getting little bubbles just lift it up where you're getting the bubble and then try and set it down again. Usually that's really all you need to get it going. Alright, I am going to keep massaging these out and then I'll get right back with you guys. So getting all of the bubbles out kind of takes a long time, so just for the sake of wrapping up this video, I'm going to cut it right here. But I just wanted you guys to see how the skin looked and what your guys' thoughts are on rocking a phone with no case, especially a phone that costs just about $2,000. If you guys want me to make a follow-up video on how my phone holds up over a certain amount of time, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, leave a like, comment, and a sub. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. Later.